going to. So first we have to start the triangular matrix means what matrix we can take. Square matrix or rectangular matrix. Two types of matrices are there. One is the square matrix, another one is the rectangular matrix. Okay, na? So row matrix are come into the rectangular matrix, column matrix also come into the rectangular matrix. So major is the only two types. One is the one is the square matrix, and another one is the rectangular matrix. Square matrix means rows and columns are equal. A rectangular matrix means rows and columns are not equal. For triangular matrix, first you have to select in a square matrix. In a square matrix, first I will select the square matrix. First point is select square matrix. Select square matrix. First one. So selection of the square matrix is over. Next, select the principal diagonal. Already I will tell. Principal pre means first principal diagonal, first element diagonal. Don't go to the second diagonal. Second diagonal we can't consider. First element diagonal. So select the principal diagonal. Select the principal diagonal. Select the principal diagonal. First you have to select the what about the rectangular? In rectangular, triangular matrix is not defined. In rectangular, triangular matrix is not defined. Only square matrix, only triangular matrix will be defined. Okay, na? Square matrix. Next point, select the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal means already I tell. What is the principal diagonal? Is the first element diagonal. That is the principal diagonal. Select the next upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix. See, upper triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, and second one is the lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. Okay, na? Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. What is the upper triangular matrix mean? Principal diagonal downside elements are 0, upside elements only we have. Okay, na? Principal diagonal, see the first I will draw the example upper triangular matrix, then we can be understand. Now see the 1, 4, 5, next 0 to 6, 0 to 6, and here is the 3. This is the square matrix. So square matrix means compulsory put in the closed bracket only. The symbol of matrix is the A. A is the symbol of matrix. First round up the principal diagonal. So principal diagonal means triangle. So see the triangle is. So this is the triangle diagonal. This one is the diagonal. Round up the first principal diagonal. I will round up the first element diagonal. I round up the first diagonal element. Okay, na? So principal diagonal element, downside elements are 0. Upside also form as a triangle. See, upside also form as a triangle. Everyone observe. Upside also form as a triangle. 4, 5, 6 triangle. This 4, 5, 6. This is called upper triangular matrix. So principal diagonal. So upper side is a triangle. Upper side is the principal diagonal element. Upper side is the elements triangle. That is called upper triangular. So lower side triangle is the compulsory. Principal diagonal lower side is the zeros. Compulsory principal diagonal lower side is the zeros. Upper side is the upper side is the only 5 to 0, not a diagonal. 5 wait, what? Yeah. So 5 to 0 is not a diagonal. It is also diagonal, but the other diagonal. Principal diagonal means first element diagonal. Next, this is called upper triangular element. So upper triangular elements mean everyone should be the what we can be remember. So upper is the only element downside is the zero element. Principal elements downside is the zero. Principal diagonal upside is the, so upside is the numbers triangle. This numbers triangle is called upper. So lower triangle means automatically we can understand. Upper elements are zero, lower is the elements. See, 1, 0, 0, next 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 0. Okay, now 4, 5 and 6. Sorry, 4, 5, 6. This is the name of the matrix. Matrix is compulsory in closed bracket. Matrix is compulsory. Name of the matrix is the B. B is the symbol of matrix. Here is the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal is the 1, 3, 6. First element diagonal is called as a principal diagonal. Upper side is the 0 and downside only elements. Therefore, this is called lower triangle. Next, what is the use of the lower triangle and upper triangle, sir? We are going to discuss main. Determinant is a very easy to find out the determinant. For upper determinant is a matrix value. So we are going to simplify, we get some value. That value is called as a determinant. I will explain at that time. So upper triangle and lower triangle is a very easy to find the determinant. Not differentiation, determinant. Right. Next one, see the conjugative matrix. Already in complex number, I will tell conjugative. So conjugative. So already I will tell in the complex number. A plus IB is a Z complex number. Its conjugative is change plus I as a minus I. Here plus I is a change as a minus IB. This is called a conjugative matrix. That conjugative is represented by Z bar. Conjugative is represented by Z bar. You can understand the points, everyone. So upper triangular, lower triangular, immediately upper is the triangle, upper is the triangle, lower is the zeros triangle. Lower triangular, lower is the elements triangle, upper is the zero triangle of the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal upside, principal diagonal lower side. Upper triangular means upper is the elements triangle, lower is the principal diagonal, lower is the zero. So lower triangular means principal diagonal downside is the low numbers, upside is the zeros. Okay, na? That is the main point. So conjugative we discuss the complex number. A plus IB is the conjugative. A plus IB is the complex number. Its conjugative is just write down plus I place is the minus I. If minus I is given, write down minus I place is the plus I. That is called as a conjugate. Change of plus I or minus I, that is called a conjugative. Okay, na? Right. Everyone write down the conjugative matrix. Conjugative matrix. We have to selection of the what type of the matrix are. So selection of the what type of the matrix in the conjugative, any matrix, no objection here, any matrix. So first conjugative matrix, put it in conjugative matrix. Conjugate matrix. What is the conjugate matrix? Select any triangle, no objection here. No need to square matrix. Selection any. Yes. Upper triangular and lower triangular are one. Yes, both will be happen. Okay, na? Nothing. Okay, na? Right. Conjugative matrix mean select any matrix. So matrices are two types. One is a square or rectangular. Select any matrix, no objection here. And second point is, so every element in this one is, so see the A is the matrix. So let A is the symbol of the matrix. 1 plus 2i is the one element. Elements are in conjugative. Matrix elements are conjugative. Second point. Elements are complex numbers. Complex numbers. So in this one, elements must be complex numbers. Okay, na? So I will write. So 1 plus 2y is a complex number. One element is a complex number. 3 minus I, one more element is a complex number. So 1 is a every real number is a complex number. Don't forget, every real number is a complex number. How can you write 1 plus 0i? 1 plus 0i. Every real number is a complex number. So next, 1 plus I. Its conjugative matrix is represented by A bar. A bar. Its conjugative matrix is represented by A bar. A bar means every element conjugative. Write down every element conjugative. 1 minus 2i plus I replaced with the minus I. Minus I replaced with the plus I. Here is a 1, no change of the real number. And here is plus I replaced with the minus I. Therefore, conjugative matrix is represented by A bar. Conjugative matrix is represented by A bar. Okay, right? This is the conjugative matrix. Conjugative matrix is represented by conjugative matrix of A. Conjugative matrix of A is represented by the symbol of A bar. So a plus I place write down minus I, minus I place write down plus I. Real number never be changed. Only complex numbers only changes. Okay, now that is called conjugative complex number. Next, trace of a matrix. Next point is the trace of a matrix. Select square matrix. Trace of a matrix. Trace of matrix. Right. The next point is the trace of matrix. Select only square matrix. Select square matrix. Select the square matrix. Next, second point, select the principal diagonal, not other diagonal. Point is understanding the principal diagonal. What is the meaning of principal diagonal is? What is the meaning of principal diagonal? First element diagonal. First element diagonal. Select principal diagonal. Select principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. Okay, that principal diagonal means now we correct concept is understand that principal. Very good, very good. Principal diagonal literally is given answer is the first element diagonal. Very good. First principal diagonal means first element diagonal. Other diagonals we can't take. Only first element diagonal only we can take. So select sum of the principal diagonal elements is called a trace of the matrix. Trace of matrix. Trace of matrix. Trace of matrix simply represented by TR. TR means trace. TR means trace of the matrix. So simply represented by trace of name of the matrix. Trace of a matrix A. So simply represented by TR bracket of a sum of the principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements. That is called trace of the matrix. Principal diagonal elements. Right. Everyone write down one example. Next I will write properties of the trace. Trace is compulsory, is asking in KSET. Okay, na? This is the important for KSET. And sometime we can use in JEE, by doing the problems, we can use the case trace of the matrix for shortcut methods. Okay, na? So that's why trace of the matrix mean. What is the trace of the matrix? Is represented by TR bracket of the symbol of the matrix. So what is the definition of a sum of the principal diagonal elements? Sum of the principal diagonal element. Now I will write example. A is the symbol of the matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Immediately write down. Everyone. Round up the principal diagonal. So principal diagonal elements here. First row, first element, second row, second element, third row, third element. Okay, na? So trace of A is principal diagonals are principal diagonal element. Principal diagonal elements. What is the principal diagonal elements in here? What is the principal diagonal elements, Samar? So 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9 are the principal diagonal elements. Is it clear? So trace of A. Trace of bracket of A means trace of the matrix A symbol. A is the symbol of the matrix. So now add 1 plus 5 plus 9. Its answer is 15. Finish. Next, properties of trace of matrix. Properties of trace of matrix. Properties of trace of matrix. First property. Trace of the A matrix. Its transpose matrix. What is the transpose matrix? I will tell present. You should be write down. Trace of a matrix and transpose of a matrix. Trace never be changed. Transpose means rows as a columns. So rows change as a column. That is called transpose matrix. Okay, na? A power of T means transpose. You have to change rows as a columns. First row write down as a first column, second row as a second column. I will tell here. So see everyone. So transpose me, A transpose mean. So I will write here. So A matrix is A, B, X, Y. A transpose mean first row write down as a column, A, B. First row as a column, second row as a column. That is called A transpose. A transpose. Understand, Amma? So A transpose, we have separate topic. A transpose we can discuss. Present you can see. Okay, na? But principal diagonals never be changed. See, AY, principal diagonals never be changed. Okay, na? Second point. Transpose of A plus or minus B. That is equal to transpose of A. Plus means plus, minus means minus, transpose of B. That means transpose should be separated for addition and subtraction. Transpose should be separated for addition and subtraction. No change of transpose. No change of two matrices, add and find the transpose, and separate, find out the transpose and add. We get the same answer only. Okay, na? Right. I will give one example. See everyone. A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Now see, A plus B add corresponding elements add. Adding of A plus B means corresponding element. A plus B is equal to first element add with first element 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. First element add with the first element. And second element 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. Second element with the add with the second element. So next 4 plus 9. Third element add with the third element. Fourth element 5 plus 10. Okay, na? So A plus B is already, we know that A plus B here, write down trace of A. Trace of A. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Trace of B. Trace of B. 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. Trace A plus trace B. Trace A plus trace B is equal to trace A plus trace B. Trace A plus trace B is equal to 7 plus 17. 7 plus 17 is equal to 24. 7 plus 17 is equal to 24. Very good. Very good. Right. Say, Mama, you can see A plus B. A plus B, see. What is the 9 plus 15? 9 plus 15. 24 only. So trace of A plus B. Trace of A plus B. First 9, next 15, that is equal to 24 only. Trace of A plus B is equal to trace of A plus trace of B. Okay, na? Minus also same. You can do, take one, apply the minus, we get the same. Okay, na? Next one. Third point. Trace of AB, trace of AB is not equal to trace of BA. Trace of equal to trace of BA. Okay, na? Trace of AB. Alright, trace means what is the definition, right? What is the definition of the trace? So this is the sum of the principal diagonal elements. So principal diagonal elements add, that is called trace. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Trace of AB is not equal to trace of BA. Next. Trace of, fourth point. Trace of identity matrix I3. I3 means, so 3 is the, what is the order? Write down, that is the answer. So trace of I3 means 3 into 3 by 3. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, na? Trace of IN. Trace of IN. IN. What is the order is N? Simply write down IN is the answer. Okay, na? Next. Right, I go through the, everyone observe. Trace results is completed. Next, I go through the singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Right, singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Everyone observe. Next to submatrix. Okay, na? Next to submatrix, we can take submatrix. What is the submatrix is? Everyone observe submatrix. So in this matrix, any one row or any one column is deleted. Row or column. Okay, na? So row or column are, okay, na? A row or column are, so both at a time we can change. That is called so submatrix. Okay, na? I will write submatrix is a matrix obtained, a matrix obtained, a matrix obtained, a matrix obtained, a matrix obtained by deleting a matrix obtained by deleting row or column. So row means already know that horizontal number line. Column means vertical number line. Fourth point is identity matrix means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is I3. Order is the 3 by 3 matrix. Its principal is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Trace is, what is the trace is 3 only. Order is 3, trace also 3. So 2 by 2, we can take I2 only. So 2 rows and 2 columns, 0, 1. What is the trace summary for this one? 1 plus 1 is the 2. Therefore, trace is 2. Order and trace both are equal in the identity matrix. Order and trace both are equal in identity matrix. This point is catched, everyone. By deleting the row or column or both is called submatrix. Now see my example. A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I take square matrix. So square matrix means rows and columns are equal. Okay, na? Next one. Delete one row, that is called submatrix. So A1 is the sub A dash. A dash is a submatrix. So that is delete one row. Therefore 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called submatrix. Delete one row or one column or both is a submatrix. Okay, na? Right now, next singular matrix. Singular matrix. Singular matrix. In any square matrix, determinant is 0 is called as a singular matrix. How can you find the determinant, sir? I will tell. Okay, na? So in it, first write down the definition. So this is the 1 mark question they will ask in the PU board. They will ask for 1 mark question. So singular matrix or non-singular matrix. So PU 1 mark question they will ask. Singular matrix, first write down. In any square matrix, determinant of A, determinant of A is the symbol of matrix. Determinant of A, determinant of the matrix A, determinant of matrix A. Matrix, its symbol is A. Determinant of matrix A. E0 is called so singular matrix. So what is the determinant? I will explain. Don't worry about that one. I will explain determinant. Determinant is simply represented by det, det of matrix or the modulus of A, not modulus, it is a symbol of determinant. Two lines is the symbol of determinant. So these two lines we can use as a determinant, we can use as a modulus. But here is in matrices, it is a determinant. Determinant to modulus two lines. In between two lines is called as a determinant. Sir, how can you find determinant? We have separate. So I will explain at that one. Okay, na? We come to the one by one points. I will explain. Present write down. Okay, na? Now determinant. This is value is equal to 0. So the matrix determinant value is 0. That is called singular matrix. Non-singular write down by everyone. Non-singular matrix. What is the non-singular matrix mean? It is also asked for one more question for PU. Already I will send important questions for relation and functions. Okay, na? That is the most important. What I am going to send, that is you have to prepare perfectly. Okay, na? Right, CD. Non-singular matrix. Same right down. Non-singular matrix is, so in a square matrix, non-singular matrix, in a square matrix, determinant of the matrix is not 0. Is not 0. Is not 0 is called a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Okay, na? So is called as a non-singular matrix. Is not 0. Matrix capital A is not 0. Its value is not a 0. Is called non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Okay, na? Non-singular matrix. Right. So that of A is determinant is represented by det of A or two lines of A. It is not equal to 0. That is called a non-singular matrix. Okay, now how can you find determinant? I will explain later. Don't worry about that one. We have the problems. We can do number of problems in the exercise. Don't worry. At the time I will explain determinant. Okay, now? Next one, we are coming to the ending only. So orthogonal, idempotent, invalidatory, nilpotent, we can discuss mean types of the matrices is completed. Tomorrow we are going to discuss addition, multiplication, direct exercise. Okay, na? Right. What time is remaining? Okay. First we can write down, everyone. First one write down. They can't ask in PU syllabus idempotent, nilpotent, orthogonal. They can't ask. They will ask for problems for only JE and case objective for only. So orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Direct write down. It's a definition. So simple write down. A is the symbol of matrix. A into A transpose or A transpose into A is equal to identity. Then A is called orthogonal matrix. So if then A matrix, A is called orthogonal matrix. A is called orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Only this part